Deep in the southern plains of New Jersey, fall has graced us with its presence, bringing with it an abundance of new life. Our cool season turf has successfully passed through another season, avoiding the brink of extinction. Now, our cool season turf seeks elusive nutrients, which it will consume with haste and use to push top growth and deepen roots for the coming winter sleep. Okay, so in this video, what we're going to review today is we're going to be talking about GreenShocker and why it's different than your traditional fertilizers. I'm going to explain what the macros are that are in the bag, why it's going to push our lawn to a dark green quickly, and we're going to do a comparison before and after. So don't go away, because this is the whole thing in a nutshell. The GreenShocker is reported to green your lawn in 2 to 3 days. The deep green should last for 2 to 3 weeks. So if you get it down the week before Halloween or towards the end of the month, you could probably impress your neighbors for Thanksgiving. The application rate of the GreenShocker is 3 to 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet. So a 16-pound bag should cover approximately 5,300 square feet. So I'm really excited to get this product on the lawn. I'm going to rip this bag open. I'm going to show you guys the small granular size. We're going to be spreading it with my earthway spreader. So let's get out there and get it done. All right, team, it's Russ. We're over here at the mixing station. You guys have seen this a million times. Let's get this out. Did it again. Let's get this stuff down. This stuff, I gotta be careful when I pour it in here because I keep getting shocked with GreenShocker. It looks like sand. It's really fine. We're gonna check it out right now. Very, very fine. Very fine. This is the finest prill I've seen from Anderson yet. Come on, guys, let's take a look at this. As you can see, it almost looks like beach sand. It could be, this is super fine. This is the most finest DG product I have ever seen come out of Anderson's. Needless to say, according to the instructions with my earthway spreader, number 11 is what they recommend that I have my spreader set at. I should be able to cover my entire lawn. I should be able to cover my entire lawn with 2 bags, 2 16-pound bags. So let's see how it goes. All right, team, that was a quick throwdown. A couple things to keep in mind. Check your spreader setting. It's very hard to hear it coming out. I did have enough. I started a little late in the beginning, so I went back over certain areas because I ended up having some extra material. However, I did have enough to do my total 9,000 square feet. So lesson learned, I should have set this earthway spreader the way it's calibrated, probably not at 11, maybe 12, 12 and a half, and that probably would have dispersed it evenly. So I'll record that in my journal. All right, team, so here's the story. GreenShocker is down. A couple things to remember. Be careful of the bag. It does zap you. Second thing, particles are really small, so make sure you set your spreader appropriately. Be a little bit conservative. It's the first time you're using it. You're applying it at 3 to 4 pounds of material per 1,000 square feet. One bag, 16 pounds, covers approximately 5,300 square feet. It's probably closer to 5. It's a little bit mystifying when you're putting it out, because it doesn't sound like it's coming out of the bag, but it is out of the spreader, but it is. So I could hear it hitting the leaves on the lawn. I started off a little bit on the lean side and had to open it up as I went. Like I said, my Earthways 2600 recommended application spreader setting was 11. I probably should have left it somewhere around 12. 2 to 3 days green up, get some water on it. The effects should last for 2 to 3 weeks. So by the time this gets out, it's probably going to be Halloween, or maybe after Halloween. But in this video, in a couple seconds, I'm going to be showing you the after. But it's not too late, even for your cool season lawn, because I keep cutting my lawn into December. So you can get this stuff down and you can rock your neighbors for Thanksgiving. Your relatives come over, want to eat some turkey, have a good meal. They'll be like, hey, dude, what'd you do, man? Your lawn's rocking. Best lawn in the neighborhood. And what you want to do is you want to remind your neighbors that you had the best lawn. Okay, so go out and get yourself some GreenShocker. So let's go ahead now and let's see the results, and we'll talk a little bit more. Hey team, it's Russ, welcome back. Okay, so I put the GreenShocker down. You guys saw me put it down. We got this nor'easter that came up. I don't know, some of you guys may have seen it on the news. Probably not if you don't live in the Northeast, but anyway, it came up. We got probably about 2 inches of rain. Usually not something I like to do. I don't like putting fert out. I didn't know it was gonna rain, at least not that much. But I think most of it stayed in the lawn. It was so fine. I got a fresh cut on today. It is Thursday evening, so we're still 3 days out from Halloween. But I wanted to share this with you just in case we're expecting more rain this weekend. So I'll re-record this if necessary. But anyway, as you can see, I have seen a significant green up already. It's looking good. It's overcast because it's clouding up because we're going to get more rain this weekend. But let's just take a quick tour of the lawn real fast. So guys, hang in with me for a minute. So here we are, laid some stripes down, looking down the lawn. Again, the sun is not ideal right now. But here we have it. Looking at the front, she's looking pretty dark green. Looking good. As you can see, I did some double striping today. Gosh, I wish the sun was better. But there's some good color in the lawn here. It's definitely darkened up since I put down the GreenShocker. Looking good. Again, some of my grasses are in fall bloom now. We have our fall foliage out. Those stripes, maybe those look a little better. So she's definitely darkened up. GreenShocker, I think it's Lawn Journey approved. Let's put that right here. Lawn Journey approved. I would recommend it. Again, there are links to the product in the show notes. I bought this directly from Anderson's. I think they had free shipping. I'm assuming you can still get it, but I'll provide a link to the Anderson's website. It's a non-affiliate link. I don't know if Amazon's carrying it. If they are, I'll include that link also. You guys can decide, who you can get it from the quickest. And actually, leave some comments. To help other people out. If you're able to get GreenShocker from another source, please leave it and I'll pin it to the top of the comments. And remember, okay, we have Halloween a couple days away, but it's been a really mild fall. Leaves are starting to come down, but you can hit this again for Thanksgiving. Don't let your neighbors forget who has the best turf and let them sleep on it for the winter. Get those nutrients out. Your turf is hungry. Give it that blast. All right, team. So I'm just going to enjoy the green of my turf. I have fed the beast. It's looking good. Check out other pictures that I may post online on Instagram. There's a link in the notes. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and like the video. Also, be sure to come back. I'll be doing some final fall fert of my lawn if I don't do another GreenShocker app or in addition to it. And I'll also be sharing with you in another video how I protect my lawn from winter weed invasion. So there's a lot going on. I hope you guys are doing well. If you get some GreenShocker out, or you did get it out for Halloween by the time you see this video, great. Let me know how it worked. If you didn't get it out, I highly recommend it. Go grab it from Anderson's Direct or wherever you can acquire it, and treat yourself to a nice green blast for Thanksgiving. Get out there, get it done, and I'll see you guys next time on Lawn Journeys.